Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use index and match function together. The index and match function is a powerful combo which is better than the other lookup functions like VLOOKUP function. We have already seen in our previous video how to use the VLOOKUP function to search the values. The only problem with the VLOOKUP function is that it can search from left to right and it cannot search the entire thing. So that's the main drawback with the VLOOKUP function. So in this, we'll use this index and match function, which helps you to search values in any direction, and it is more stable than the other lookup functions. So say for example, let's get into the example. Here I have the list of products and I have the price of the particular product and I have the stock quantity of respective products. And I need to filter a particular product and I need to check for the stock available and the price of the particular product. So to do this, we need to either put filter function and use to retrieve the value. So instead of that, we use index and match. Say for example, I need the product and price and stock of certain product. Okay. So say for example, I need the price and stock available for watermelon, say for example. So to do this, we use this index function. So index is nothing but the actual value we which returns from the position we give. So here um, this is our value from which it needs to retrieve, and followed by that I need to match. So say for example, I need to match the product. Let's say for example, it can be empty. So for now, so it needs to match the product from the list of products which we already have, and it should be an exact match uh, instead of having the normal thing. So now we'll require the uh, product price of Apple. So we got the value, say for example, it is 97. Similarly, we need the stock of the particular product. So to do that, we again use this index. And in this case, we use the stock values. So because we need the stock values to be matched with the lookup value, that is our Apple product, with the list of products which we are, and it should be an exact match. Okay. So here we got the stock of Apple. Similar way, I just need for certain commodities, say for example watermelon, I just need, so I just drag down to get the values of price of watermelon. So we got the watermelon price as 64 and stock as 450. But here the problem is that when you check the values from which it has been assigned, it should take the entire product and entire value. But when we just drag down, it just takes the value from the respective row. So to fix this, we just need to fix the entire row and column. So to do that, we use dollar to fix the entire thing. So to do this, there is one particular shortcut which you can use to fix the rows and columns by using the F4 function. It fixes you the entire rows and columns. So now you check the entire rows and columns is fixed. So this is one way of using the filter function like index and matching to get the actual required values which you needed. I hope you got some idea with using this index and match functions, which is widely used by many of the social science researchers. So with this, I like to conclude my video. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.